My name is Dadi Pudumjee. I'm a puppeteer. Uh, I'm managing trustee or the artistic director of the Ishara Puppet Theatre Trust and also the one that runs this puppet festival.
Very, very congratulations for completing your 20 years. So how has this journey been for the years and the festival?
It's been tough, but it's exciting as well. People are looking out for specific performances which they would like more adult or more children performances, family performances. But overall, I think it's been more a family festival and maybe the only one of this sort which has gone on for so long.
Now, on this event of the 20th anniversary, you contacting IIAD and all of that, and it actually materializing. So, what was your brief to the students?
The brief was pretty open because when we came, I remember the contact with IIAD has been through you and through Usha Patel and the other teachers to do workshops, things like that. And when each year we think of what we can do with the festival entry, and it came to me that is there a possibility that a design school, because we're all from a design school, can do something for the opening. And that is when this installation art happened. And we said it's the 20th festival, use 20 or use the colors of the festival or the countries that are coming or something to embody the 7-8 countries that are coming in 20. Then it was depth open. And then I think all of you had done little maquettes, little models, and there were quite a few, and then the certain number was selected. So it's great work done by all the students at IIT.
Were you happy with the outcome?
Very happy. I think everybody is happy.
It does make it.
Yes, quite pleasant. And IIAD is privileged to have it at SEPTA. Yeah.
And to associate with you and Ishara Public Theatre Trust, even especially on this paper
And the Visual Arts Gallery.
and the visual arts gallery.
It's interesting because you do working. Well, I've only had maybe I came there twice, maybe or 3 times. First to introduce the thing where the students and stuff, but then the IIAD had to take it up yes, no, and when they said yes, then they had some drawings and designs and as I said models, and then I was called again to see, and I was quite open, and it was good to work and see the different things, and also to see from ideation to fact. Sometimes many things change, but there are quite a few that have stuck to the original idea. And some who have come up with something fresh also, so that's good as well. So I think it's good. I hope the students enjoyed doing it.